What's up, guys? Friday night, it's probably about 9 o'clock. Got the boat all hooked up on the car, headed down to Steinhatchee. So it's been a long week. Had to stop and make a little pit stop. But we will catch up and do some fishing and scalloping and have a good bit of time. So see you guys later. All right, guys, we finally made it here to Steinhatchee, and the kids are in the car. Jen and I have been getting the boat ready, about to get out on the water. We left, like I said, last night after work. Drove down to Valdosta, spent the night. It was about a 4-hour drive, another 2-hour drive this morning, and we were finally here to get on the water. Have a good day. Now.
Don't try to catch that. It's a box. Is he right there? I'm not gonna catch it. I can't see him.
It's right there. Look. It's got two little remoras stuck to it.
All right, Holt, tell us about your fish.
Well, I was just casting out there and I reeled it in slowly. And I didn't even know I had him on until I just saw him.
Yeah, buddy.
I used him already.
All right, good job, Wyatt.
Is that the same one?
No.
No, it's not the same one.
Are you sure?
Yep.
That one's small. Well, I
There
just
you go.
dropped it down right there and
Look.
they just came
There you
out
go.
and ate it.
Little bitty bass, huh?
These things kept on biting my thing and I don't know.
Oh, yeah, they
why.
took my whole lure off.
Oh my.
Oh, they might get one.
Holt, you get the prize for catching the ugliest fish of the day. Anybody know what kind of fish this is?
I caught 4 species.
How many?
4?
Look at that. That joker looks mean. He got a big old thorn on his back, too. Ugh. All right, Wyatt, what you got, buddy?
I got a trout and hopefully it's keeper.
Let's see him. Hold him up. Let's look at him. Now, let's pick that hook up, man, so we don't step on it. Good idea.
Let's go measure him. I think he's a keeper.
All right.
How long do they have to be?
You gotta be 15. Throw him back.
Oh, dang it. There he goes.
All right, what's up, guys? We are here in Steinhatchee, Florida. We've been catching a few trout, a few ladyfish, or maybe one ladyfish. Holt had a little sea bass over there, and Lola has come up with the challenge. We came down here to get a little quick weekend of scalloping in before school started. So, Lola, tell us about the challenge. Who's participating?
Okay, so there's 2 teams, and the teams are Wyatt and my dad, and then the other team is Holt, me, and my mom.
So you're saying that we're not on the same team?
No.
You better get off my seat then. All right.
And
So how are we gonna do it? We can get a total of how many scallops can we get? 10 gallons will be the max we could get for the whole boat. Actually, it's 2 gallons per person, max of 10 gallons per vessel. So we've got 5 people, so we got the perfect amount. Not too many, but just the right amount, right, Lola? So we got 2 buckets. We got
so each person gets a 5-gallon bucket, and the team who can fill up their bucket first wins.
challenge. It said, hey, what does the winner get? And what does the loser have to do?
I don't know.
We'll come up with that later.
The winner gets the bragging rights, and the loser has to jump in and say I'm a doofus.
A doofus. Oh, I don't know. We'll have to see about that. I don't know if you can get your mama to jump in the water, buddy. I'm not sure. And Lola. All right. So we got our challenge going. It's going to be the 2019 Back to School Scalloping Challenge. You want to call it that?
Sure.
You want the orange bucket or the blue bucket?
Blue.
All right.
We're team blue.
Team blue. We're going to be the Home Depot orange bucket, and
Red and black buckets.
Well, Jennifer's about to say we need red and black buckets, so I agree with you. Well, we might have a white bucket. We could be the white. We'll be, all right, I agree. That's Auburn. So we will be the white bucket. So y'all have the blue bucket and we'll have the white bucket. And we're going to go catch some scallops. Who's going to win?
Me.
Nope, not a chance.
No.
All right, guys. So kind of cool having a beard sometimes, but not always. So when you have a beard and you're wearing a mask, it leaks. So what you have to do is you have to use Vaseline on your mustache. Otherwise, your mask will leak. So got a mask right here. So fortunately, I have to get some Vaseline. I put it. You can use chapstick too, but it doesn't work as well. Gross. Now, if I put on my mask, it'll seal on my face. So, Lola, you ready to jump in and go? All right, guys, stiff competition. The Scalloping was kind of tough today. It's been picked over a little bit, but Wyatt has added them up, and so has Lola. So, what were the team names again?
Team White and Team Blue. Team White's gonna say how much they got first.
All right. Team White is Wyatt. Team White. Wyatt, how many do we have, buddy?
55.
Whoa, 55. Team Blue, how many do you have?
40.
Womp womp. Good job. We had fun. Good job, Wyatt. Good job, Holt. Good job, Mommy. All right, so once again, the guys come out on top. What about tomorrow? We're gonna have another challenge for tomorrow? Oh, I don't know. Never again. Probably.
Little sand trout. And you can keep any of these, but he's really small, so I'm gonna let him go.
Good job, Lola.
So how you cast the rod is you flip up the bill, grab the line, and then cast it out.
See, bring it up here, buddy. See what you got.
Keep.
You might be short. I'm going to back the trailer a little bit, all right? Okay. Hold on. Good job, buddy. Go ahead and hook it? I will. Good job.
You go fast, so you can handle that. You know you can get in phone calls.
Pound a quarter, I think. All right, so our weekend is coming to an end, and we had a great time here. Finished up at Sea Hag, picked up our scallops. The best money you'll ever spend is having those folks clean them for you. So, y'all have a good time this weekend?
Yes.
All right, so anyway, until next time, we will see you guys later. Best part about staying in hotels a lot is being able to stop at one, and basically just for the point of getting a shower, so you don't have to ride home the whole way with salt. So anyway,